Welcome to our ultimate guide of 30 Amazon bathroom gadgets that will transform your daily routine into a luxurious spa experience. From space-saving organizers to must-have tech, these innovative tools will leave you wondering how you ever lived without them. Stick around. Your dream bathroom makeover starts now. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Toothbrush sanitizer is currently priced at $39.99 on Amazon. This innovative toothbrush sanitizer is a must-have bathroom essential that keeps your oral care tools clean and hygienic. With its 24-hour automatic cleaning and drying system, LED display, and impressive 30-day battery life, it eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. Perfect for families, its dual slots fit most toothbrushes, and the easy wall mount design saves counter space. The Top Mart 4 Pack Bathroom Organizer is currently priced at $37.99 on Amazon. This under-sink organizer is a brilliant solution for maximizing bathroom storage. With its two-tier pull-out drawers, clear pet material, and sturdy design supporting up to 15 pounds, it transforms cluttered spaces into an organized haven. The easy tool-free assembly and non-slip pads make it perfect for storing toiletries, cosmetics, and cleaning supplies while keeping everything visible and accessible. Home Rolling Slim Bathroom Utility Cart is currently priced at $145 on Amazon. This sleek storage cart is a brilliant bathroom organization solution, measuring 18.7 inches long and featuring adjustable shelves perfect for toiletries, cleaning supplies, and tall items. Its narrow design fits perfectly in tight spaces, while smooth rolling casters make it easily accessible. The wooden top adds style and extra storage space, making bathroom organization effortless and efficient. Toothpaste cap dispenser is currently priced at $6.49 on Amazon. This silicone toothpaste cap dispenser is a brilliant bathroom solution that eliminates messy tubes and wasted product. With its self-sealing X-shaped opening, it ensures perfect toothpaste portions every time. Perfect for kids, elderly, or anyone with limited mobility. The BPA-free, washable design keeps tubes hygienic and fresh, while saving money by preventing dried-out toothpaste. Hair tool organizer is currently priced at $24.99 on Amazon. This sleek hair tool organizer is a must-have for any bathroom. With 3 heat-resistant compartments, it safely stores your hot styling tools while keeping cords tangle-free. The mesh design allows tools to cool down properly, and its versatile mounting options make it perfect for any space. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and messy drawers. Toilet paper holder with shelf black wipes. Dispenser is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. This sleek bathroom organizer combines a toilet paper holder with hidden storage for wipes and personal items. Perfect for keeping essentials discreet yet accessible. Its large drawer and top shelf double as a phone rest. Made from rust-proof stainless steel with quiet close features, it offers easy installation options and can be mounted on either side for maximum versatility. Electric toothbrush head cover set is currently priced at $6.99 on Amazon. This toothbrush cover set is a brilliant bathroom essential that keeps your brushes clean and protected from bathroom dust and bacteria. With ventilation holes for quick drying, it fits most manual and electric toothbrushes. The 4-pack comes in different colors for easy family organization, and it's made from eco-friendly, BPA-free material. Perfect for home and travel. Suction shower grab bar is currently priced at $39.99 on Amazon. This suction shower grab bar is an essential bathroom safety solution that provides reliable support up to 240 pounds. With its tool-free installation and strong suction cups, it securely attaches to smooth surfaces in seconds. Perfect for elderly pregnant women or anyone needing extra stability, its anti-slip grip and ergonomic design ensure peace of mind during daily routines. Filtered shower head with handheld is currently priced at $26.99 on Amazon. This high-pressure filtered shower head transforms your daily shower routine with 150 micro nozzles, delivering powerful water flow while saving 30% water. With 4 spray modes, built-in filter removing 99.99% chlorine, and convenient one-touch stop feature, it's perfect for families. The pressure adjustment and power wash mode make it ideal for personal use, kids, pets, and cleaning. Rotating Makeup Organizer is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. This rotating bathroom organizer is the ultimate space-saving solution for your countertop. With its 360-degree smooth rotation and 3-layer design, it keeps all your cosmetics, toiletries, and skincare products perfectly organized and easily accessible. The sturdy gold steel frame and ABS trays combine style with functionality, while high edges prevent items from falling during rotation. Shower drink holder is currently priced at $16.99 on Amazon. This silicone shower drink holder is a brilliant bathroom accessory that lets you enjoy your favorite beverage while showering. With its super strong grip on any smooth surface and smart drainage holes, it prevents water dilution. The reusable, easy-to-install design makes it perfect for keeping your drinks secure and within reach during your daily shower routine. Crevice cleaning brush is currently priced at $7.99 on Amazon. This innovative gap cleaning brush is a must-have bathroom essential that tackles those hard-to-reach corners and crevices with ease. Its triangular head design and durable stainless steel bristles effectively remove dirt and grime from tile grout, shower tracks, and sink edges. Perfect for deep cleaning, its ergonomic handle makes bathroom maintenance quick and effortless. Toilet timer is currently priced at $16.99 on Amazon. This hilarious yet practical bathroom timer is a must-have for anyone dealing with family members who take endless bathroom breaks. With its 5-minute countdown and easy 360-degree reset feature, it gently reminds people not to camp out too long. Perfect for keeping the bathroom schedule moving and preventing those dreaded leg-numbing extended sessions. Bathroom suction hook is currently priced at $19.99 on Amazon. This sleek bathroom suction hook is a brilliant solution for clutter-free organization. With its impressive 15-pound weight capacity and tool-free installation, it's perfect for hanging towels, robes, and accessories. The twist and lock mechanism ensures secure attachment while leaving no damage, and its versatility on multiple surfaces makes it an essential bathroom upgrade. Waterproof shower phone holder is currently priced at $14.99 on Amazon. This waterproof shower phone holder is a brilliant bathroom addition that lets you safely enjoy media while showering. With 480-degree rotation, sensitive touchscreen, and full waterproof protection, you can watch videos or listen to music worry-free. The drill-free installation and universal compatibility make it perfect for any bathroom setup, while the removable design offers convenience. Drain Snake cleaner is currently priced at $17.99 on Amazon. This innovative drain snake cleaner is a must-have bathroom solution that makes unclogging drains incredibly simple. With its 360-degree rotating micro hooks, it effectively captures hair and debris without harsh chemicals. The disposable wands ensure hygienic cleaning, and the 5 included refills provide great value. Electric Spin Scrubber is currently priced at $49.96 on Amazon. This powerful electric spin scrubber transforms bathroom cleaning with its dual-speed system and 8 versatile brush attachments. Perfect for those with back pain, its extendable handle and adjustable brush head reach every corner effortlessly. With 1.5 hours of battery life and durable waterproof design, it tackles tough stains without scratching surfaces. Heat-resistant silicone iron holder is currently priced at $21.99 on Amazon. This heat-resistant silicone iron holder is a brilliant bathroom solution that keeps your styling tools organized and safe. It sticks to any surface, withstands temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and eliminates counter clutter. Adorable cherry-shaped toilet brush set is currently priced at $19.99 on Amazon. This adorable cherry-shaped toilet brush set brings both style and functionality to your bathroom. With its leak-proof design, soft bristles, and long ergonomic handle, it makes cleaning effortless while preventing splashback. The non-slip base and wall mounting option saves space, making it perfect for any bathroom size. It's both decorative and practical. Hair catcher is currently priced at $9.99 on Amazon. This ingenious silicone hair catcher is a must-have bathroom solution that prevents drain clogs and keeps your shower clean. With its easy swipe design and double-sided tape mounting, it effortlessly collects loose hair during your shower. Foldable sink topper is currently priced at $24.64 on Amazon. This foldable sink topper is a brilliant bathroom solution that transforms your sink into a functional workspace. Perfect for makeup application and brush cleaning, it holds up to 7 pounds and comes in 2 sizes to fit most sinks. The textured surface and easy installation make organizing beauty essentials effortless, while maximizing counter space in any bathroom. Disposable drain protector is currently priced at $11.99 on Amazon. This disposable drain protector is a brilliant solution for keeping your shower drain clog-free. With its strong waterproof adhesive, it sticks firmly to any surface and catches hair effectively. Simply peel, stick, and replace every few weeks. No more expensive plumber visits or harsh chemicals. Bottle emptying kit is currently priced at $16.99 on Amazon. This brilliant bottle emptying kit is a must-have bathroom solution that lets you extract every last drop from your expensive lotions, shampoos, and beauty products. With 6 universal adapters fitting most standard bottles and a simple flip and squeeze design, it eliminates waste and frustration. Showerhead cleaning kit is currently priced at $7.89 on Amazon. This showerhead cleaning kit is a must-have bathroom essential that solves the annoying problem of clogged showerheads. With 10 different sized stainless steel picks and a specialized nylon brush, it effectively removes mineral deposits and debris. The individual packaging keeps tools clean, while the 20-piece set enables regular maintenance for consistent water flow and longer shower head life. Soft acrylic toilet seat cover is currently priced at $9.99 on Amazon. This soft acrylic toilet seat cover transforms your bathroom experience by providing warmth and comfort during those chilly mornings. With easy installation, machine washable fabric, and a secure fit for most toilet seats, it's a practical solution for year-round comfort. The pack of 3 covers adds style while eliminating the shock of cold seats. Towel hook set is currently priced at $6.98 on Amazon. This adhesive towel hook set is a brilliant bathroom solution with its innovative claw design. Unlike traditional curved hooks, the silicone claws securely grip towels while being gentle enough for kids to use. The strong adhesive backing means no drilling, and you can install them anywhere. Automatic soap dispenser is currently priced at $22.99 on Amazon. This automatic soap dispenser transforms your bathroom experience with its sleek, modern design and touchless operation. With 3 adjustable dispensing levels, a clear LCD display, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it's perfect for maintaining hygiene without messy soap bottles. Shower organizer set is currently priced at $19.99 on Amazon. This sleek 5-piece shower organizer set transforms cluttered bathrooms into a well-organized space. With rust-proof stainless steel construction and impressive 40-pound weight capacity, it keeps toiletries neatly arranged without drilling holes. The no-damage adhesive installation and versatile pieces, including caddies and holders, make it a practical solution for any modern bathroom. RMR 86 Mold and Mildew Stain Remover is currently priced at $15.99 on Amazon. This RMR 86 Mold and Mildew Stain Remover is a must-have for any bathroom. The instant action spray effortlessly eliminates stubborn stains without scrubbing, making cleaning a breeze. Perfect for tiles, grout, and hard-to-reach corners, it works immediately while being safe for multiple surfaces. Say goodbye to unsightly bathroom mold spots in seconds. Diatomite Bath Mat is currently priced at $34.99 on Amazon. This Diatomite Bath Mat is a brilliant bathroom solution that keeps your floors dry and safe. Made from natural stone, it rapidly absorbs water while preventing slips with its textured surface and anti-slip backing. Multifunctional and easy to clean, it's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and entryways, a practical upgrade for any home. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of 30 Amazon bathroom gadgets. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which gadget you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching! We will see you in our next videos.